Hello everybody, my name is Laura Carolina Giraldo Tovar. Today I'm going to talk about the random questions. My question was, if you could go back in time and change one thing, what would that be? My answer is, if I could go back time, what I will change in my life is to make better decisions. I really think better before acting. I believe that I wasn't mature enough to think better. Today I will tell you about a short part of my history, if my experience. 4 years ago, I newly married, and my son had been born. We were economically stable. My husband had a good job, and my husband's family was very happy, and them had been many gifts for new home, for my new home. They give us dining room, living room, a stove, my bed, a TV, many things for my new home. But one day, some friends, some friends suggested to us that migrate other country, and we sold everything, and is low price, because we wanted to travel soon. When we arrived that country, the things was different, and the friends didn't treat us the best way. My husband and me couldn't work because we were illegal. So we returned in our country, Colombia, and now I am great for those experience, because I learn from them. Thank you. This is all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.